significant development, 3 separate trademark applications have been filed to secure rights over the name Cockroach Janata Party, according to official records. The applications have been submitted by individuals including Azim Adambai Jam and Akhand Swarup, along with a proprietorship also using the same name. These filings seek registration under the category of political and social services. The group describes itself as the voice of the lazy and unemployed and has reportedly touched 20.7 million followers on Instagram, even surpassing the BJP's online following. Despite this, its online presence continues to expand rapidly. In another development, the X account of Cockroach Janata Party was blocked in India on Thursday. Following this, a new account titled Cockroach is Back was created, which gained thousands of followers within hours of being launched. Founder Abhijit Deepke stated that the blocking was expected and alleged that there were earlier attempts to hack the account. He called the action a self-goal by the government and confirmed that the team will pursue legal options. He also said the movement will continue to grow despite restrictions. The group first went viral after its creation on May 15th, attracting attention from politicians, activists, artists, and social media users. It emerged at a time when Chief Justice Suryakant used the terms parasites and cockroaches while referring to the misuse of the legal system. However, he later clarified that his remarks were specifically directed at individuals holding fake or bogus degrees. The movement has also drawn comparisons online due to its rapid growth, with its follower account surpassing several established political accounts. So viewers, do you think social media movements are becoming more influential in shaping public discussions today? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.